Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put BMW M4 in neutral. Start with your foot on the brake, keep the engine running, and confirm the transmission is awake. For an automatic, pull the selector into N and hold the brake until you're ready to roll. For a manual, press the clutch fully, shift into neutral, and release smoothly. Always set the parking brake if you plan to stop for any time. Need to use neutral? Neutral helps when towing, moving the car short distances by hand, or when a facility requests it for a wash. It is not a substitute for parking and should not be used as a safety measure on slopes. When stopped briefly, you can slip into neutral, but reapply the brake and engage park or the parking brake when you step away. Always prioritize control and safety. If you can't shift into neutral, first verify the brake shift interlock is engaged and the engine or battery isn't preventing movement. Check the instrument cluster for messages or warnings that might lock the transmission. For manual cars, ensure the clutch is fully depressed and cables are intact. If electronics block shifting, consult the owner manual or contact roadside assistance. These steps usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.